Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your rescue mission with us here at Lakebreaker the Rescue Coaster. We ask that for those of you who are now boarding, please secure all hats, glasses, wallets, keys, and other loose items, and step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible.
Get it on. Love all. Do your first.
Please remain seated. Favor de mantenerse sentado. All right, Quirky. Looks like you've been assigned to the sea lion rescue. Are you ready? Sit up straight, eyes forward, and hold on tight. Oh yeah.
Trainees, please face forward and prepare to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Please remain seated until the ride is come to a full and complete stop. Once the left car touches on right, please exit towards your left, taking all belongings with you. Thank you, and enjoy your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio.